Every patient should get the best advice for their problem, but pharmacists are not getting the chance to be sufficiently educated about the products they recommend every day. Only 2 out of 10 pharmacy employees get visited by pharma representatives and receive a sufficient and proper product education. We believe that every pharmacist should get the best education to be able to give the best advice. Doctrina is a video platform where pharmacy employees can learn about the products they sell so they can give better advice to patients. They can gain the knowledge from anywhere, 24/7. Our clients are pharmaceutical companies who can reach and educate their customers, pharmacists, in a much more efficient and transparent way. As they say in Doctrina, we have the best team that money and promises can buy. Their family stretches over 5 countries, has 16 team members, and includes over 25,000 satisfied users and over 40 paying customers. They are growing every month and very proud of each and every one of them.
We believe that every pharmacist should get the best education to be able to give the best advice.